Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Watercolor Wednesday, Part 2 with Leslie Watkins. So welcome back. Hopefully we'll be able to continue with the session today. My internet looks like it's acting a little unstable, so I don't know. I'll have to give them a call after the video, but hopefully you'll be able to see me now. I'm just going to check my settings. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so I've finished with my painting. You saw the majority of the painting in the last video. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a nice burnish. Now, when this signature cover is mounted into the sketchbook, these other pages, the inside cover and the back cover, will be able to be seen as well. So I'm going to want to go ahead and paint on those so that I have some more images. But I'm not going to do that right now. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you my sketchbook pieces. So I'm going to begin with the outer cover, and I'm going to do a little bit of stitching. So I'm not going to show you that today, but here's the outside cover. And then these two pages, I want to make sure I have my writing right side up, are going to be attached like that. And I'm going to do a little bit of stitching around the edges. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply glue those down. And I'm being careful not to put the designer series paper over the fold. Okay, I want to make sure that that has a little bit of clearance. So I just want to get that lined up. That looks good. Give that a good burnish. And scooch it down a little tiny bit. There we go. All right, and the same thing on this side. And I'm staying away from the edges just because I know that I'm going to be doing a little bit of stitching. And so I don't have to go put the glue right where the stitching will be, because that will just gum up my needle on the machine, and I don't want to have any tangles. Okay, so there is the outside cover. Just want to make sure the glue came out really fast today. I think it's because of the heat. It's pretty warm, so it's running. So I've got a lot of glue on there, so I want to make especially sure that I get that distributed nicely so I don't have any bumps. All right, there we go. So there's how that's looking at the moment. And let me grab my inner cover so I can give you a sense of how that will look. And you know, I used the very vanilla paper for the pages, but I may decide to change that for white. just because it's going to look nicer, I think, with the DSP. But that's a maybe. I'm not sure. But that is what the book will begin to look like. That's how it's shaping up. And I'll probably put a little pocket or something on the inside cover to be able to tuck things in, both front and back. And I think I'm going to reinforce the spine. So I'm going to put another layer of, I'm not sure if I'll use this DSP or a coordinating one on the back here. I'll reinforce the spine and then do my signature stitching into a signature spine. So it'll be nice and sturdy along the spine, and we'll be able to withstand a lot of handling. So that's my book so far. Next time I come on, I will have taken it a little bit further. Now I do want to mention that tomorrow is Paper Crafting Thursday, and I will not be presenting a live video because I have a graduation to go to. It's that time of year, and so I will probably post a picture of what I've done up to that point, and then I will be back again on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So don't forget, we have the special coming up with the note card box instruction for people who sign up for the Watercolor Card Club before the end of May. So you have until just May 31st, and you will be just in time for this month's session, which begins on the 16th. And let's see, that's tomorrow. So you'll be perfect timing, so please do that. And subscribe to notes from Dandelion Cottage Design so that I can let you know about what's coming up, because I have some live classes coming right up. There's a series of events that are going on throughout the summer, and lots and lots of news about Dandelion Cottage. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that now, and you can do that with the button up above in Facebook where it says sign up, or if you're watching on YouTube, the link will be in the description below. So thank you so much for joining me today. Sorry about the little technical difficulty. I'll see what I can do to get that fixed. And in the meantime, stay well, stay happy, stay creative, and I will see you next time.